Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from INFINIX Smart 7 to an Android device. First of all, go into Play Store on both and download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Begin by selecting I agree, then tapping on Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Then on the other one, I agree, Confirm, Continue, Allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Then tap on Close in white pop-up at the top. And finally, click on Send at the bottom left corner of INFINIX. When you're ready, select Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, you need to choose one of those options to decide if you wish to personalize your ads. Just click on Yes, I agree or No, thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to INFINIX. You can finally use all of those categories available at the top. And then select all of your files from chosen categories. You can also just click on the couple of them. I will go with this one picture. Click on Send next to selected as well. And hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Finally, you can decide which connection way is better for you. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, tap on Input key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Lastly, tap on Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!